Hi, this is Alexis Woolsey with Tycor Title, and today I want to tell you about one of my favorite tools that you have access to through me, your Tycor Title sales executive, and how it can help you in your business. That tool is the Altos Market Reports, and what I really love about this tool is that it is a weekly market report that comes to your email. I send them out every Wednesday morning, and also that this market report is zip code specific. So it's going to give you a really good snapshot of what is happening in a micro market and give you great stats, great information to share with your clients, especially those sellers who are thinking about buying. So here we are looking at one of our reports. You can see here we are looking at the 97123 zip code. And over here we have the real-time market profile. So these are the stats that are being pulled from the MLS based off active listings. So right now, the median list price in 97123 is 502, just under 500. And this little graph right here, you can actually see that we can scroll over this and see what the data points were over the last 3 months and how that number has changed. So looking back just a couple months ago in January, we can see it peaked at 665 and it's been going down ever since, which that's, I'm sure, related to the inventory that we have on the market right now. Down below, we can see average price per square foot in the area, average days on market. You can also see that price has gone, or that stat has gone down quite a bit. Things are going very quickly right now. How many homes have seen a price decrease? How many have seen a price increase? How many homes have been relisted? And then inventory. This is one of my favorite stats. So right now, it's April 2021, which we're in one of the hottest sellers market that Portland's ever seen. So in the 97123 zip code, there's only 18 homes on the market, which is pretty wild. You can see back in December, we were at 47 and it's been steadily decreasing ever since. You can actually see the median rent price in the area, the most expensive listing on the market, the least expensive, and then they take the rate of sales versus inventory, and they give you this market action index. So this area is seeing an 88, which is a strong seller's market. Anything over 30 is a seller's market. So that's very high right now, which most of the Portland metro area is seeing. Now, when we scroll down, they are going to break down each of those data points over a 3-year period so that you can see more in depth about what is going on. So here we have median list price, and then same thing, you can scroll over this and find out what the data point was at different times. We also have this 7-day average number and a 90-day average. If you just want to look at one of these, you can just click that and it'll toggle it off, and then you can see what that number has been. You can see this peaked in February. Over here, you can switch between those different data points and see what you want to look at. I like looking at this inventory one because it's pretty shocking. And then if you want to just look at a snapshot, maybe the past year instead of the past 3 years, you can find that date on here. So that's about a year ago. Click, drag, and release, and it will zoom in to just that time period so you can show your potential sellers what's happened in their area in the past year. You could do, year to date. You could start at the beginning of the year, zoom in to that, and just show them what's been happening in the past few months, whatever you'd like. And then at the very bottom, we have market segments. So this breaks the market into quarters. So bottom 25% of the market, top 25%, and then those middle 2 points. And it shows you the information about each of those price points, what the homes look like in that market segment. So you can see for this bottom price point, average square foot is just over 1,700 square feet, average lot size, how many bedrooms, bathrooms, and then days on market. So we can see that low price point, and even this median price point. I mean, all these ones, they have really low days on market because we know that's a desirable price for buyers out there. So and then when you go back to this chart, you can add that market segment. Let's reset this zoom so you can see. So you can add that market segment and see what has changed according to these different price points. Maybe that high upper price points, that might see, a little bit longer days on market, obviously higher prices. So you can adjust that to see what is happening in those different areas. This market report can be shared with your clients. You can come up here and press share. You can either email this directly to them from the site. You can download the full report or just a one-pager and print it off, bring it with you to an appointment. You can also share parts of these reports on social media. And then this is a report that you get subscribed to. So if that's something that you are interested in, reach out to me and I can sign you up to start receiving these. And then when you're looking at this, if there's ever a zip code that you are interested in looking at, but you're not subscribed to it, you can search up here for any city or zip code in the entire country and see what's happening in their market. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'm happy to get you signed up to start receiving these reports. Thank you for watching.